girls who talk too much. Some girls at the back of the class were talking while the teacher was a rhyme. A crow says kaka. A lamb says baba. A cow says momo. A dog says coco. A dog says bow wow. A cat says meow meow. But boys and girls asked the teacher, do you know what a tortoise say? No ma'am, said the students. It says nothing. It loves to remain silent. Why ma'am? Because it has learned a lesson. What lesson ma'am? Listen to this story and you will know. And then the teacher told the following story. Once a tortoise lived near a lake. He was very talkative. No animal or bird liked his company. One summer, a pair of ducks came to this lake. They made friends with the tortoise. The ducks soon found that the tortoise was very talkative. They did not like this habit of his. But he was after all their friend. The two ducks prepared to leave when the summer season came to an end. Friend tortoise, they said, would you like to go with us to our winter home? I would love to go, replied the tortoise. But I have no wings to fly with. That doesn't matter, said the ducks. We can easily take you with us. The only thing is that you must hold our tongue during the journey. Oh, it is no problem, said the tortoise. I can certainly do that. The two ducks took a stick. They held one end each in their beaks. Then they asked the tortoise to grip the middle of the stick with his teeth, and thus the three friends began to fly high through the air. The man in the fields saw this strange sight. Look, they cried to ducks are carrying a tortoise. How strange! The tortoise could no longer remain silent. He opened his mouth to say, if my friends are scaring me, what has that to do with you? In speaking this, the tortoise lost his grip on the stick. He fell to the ground. And that was his and his mouth was open, but he could not say a word. He was dead. The tortoise learned a lesson from the sage and of their brother tortoise. Do you know what this lesson was? Asked the teacher. She was pointing to the girls at the back of the class. Everybody laughed.